Don't worry, exchanging a product on Beyoung is very easy. Let me show you how it's done. First, either visit www.beyoung.in or download the Beyoung app. We highly recommend using the app because it's easier to navigate. After that, log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the My Account section and click on it. Then you'll see the My Orders tab. Click on that. You'll now see a list of all your orders. Select the order for which you want to place an exchange request. Next, click on Request Exchange and choose your preferred color and size. Then select the relevant issue from the options. After that, you'll need to upload images of the product. Once done, tick the consent box and select your pickup address. Now comes the final step. Carefully review all the details you've entered and then confirm the exchange request. That's it. Your exchange request has been placed. See, it was that simple. Your reverse pickup will be done within 2 days, and once the pickup is completed, your exchange product will be shipped to you. And yes, if you want to change the style instead of just size or color, please reach out to our customer support chat team on WhatsApp for instant help.